This video provides an overview of the features that are unique to Kinetica and enable it to perform geospatial operations on extremely large data. What makes Kinetica really stand out is the scale it operates at. With Kinetica's active analytics platform, we are able to store and analyze massive amounts of geospatial data. Kinetica also provides tools such as the dashboarding app Reveal that can quickly visualize this data at scale. And what's perhaps even more impressive is its ability to do all of this with really high speeds. This means that as users of the platform, all our insights are not hidden somewhere in a database. Instead, analysts can quickly dive in using visual tools like maps and dashboards to surface insights faster and in real time. Let's look at some of the features that enable Kinetica to achieve this. Kinetica's geospatial capabilities come baked in with the product. The very first use case that Kinetica was developed for centered on geospatial analysis, and the first data type that was supported by Kinetica was the geospatial point. Since then, the breadth of features and data types that are provided via the platform has increased dramatically. Today, Kinetica supports the common data types and formats for geospatial data, along with over 130 geospatial functions that have been ported from the popular PostGIS SQL library. The native support for geospatial data and functions offers several advantages. For instance, based on the type of function that is being executed, Kinetica is able to send those that are more performant on the GPU to run on the GPU, while those that are better suited for the CPU are sent to the CPU. This allows us to optimize and get the most out of compute resources available to us while running computationally intensive geospatial operations. The close similarity with PostGIS also means that analysts who are familiar with this popular geospatial library will find it really easy to move their existing analysis to Kinetica. Native support also means that we don't have to move our data elsewhere to access a third-party geospatial library to run our analysis. All our work can be done locally on the database itself to fully harness the performance boost that Kinetica provides. Kinetica's geospatial capabilities also pair really well with other features of the platform, such as the Web Map Service endpoint that can be used to generate data-intensive maps that are rendered server-side rather than on the client. This allows us to visualize an unparalleled amount of data on a map. And since these are being processed natively on a server running Kinetica, the underlying geospatial operations and queries can be performed at really high speeds to update the WMS frames in real time, which are then sent back to the client application as lightweight images. Each WMS call generates a static image file. However, Kinetica's native dashboard app, Reveal, uses a few clever innovations to allow us to interact with these georeference images in a way that mimics other client-side interactive applications. Users of a Reveal dashboard are able to do things like click on points on a map to view details on a pop-up, filter specific areas using selection tools, etc. This allows us to interact with large amounts of data in real time and drill down to specific pieces of insight with ease. Finally, since the WMS standard used by Kinetica is OGC compliant, it can be connected to other third-party tools such as Mapbox, Esri, OpenLayers, etc. Kinetica also provides a JavaScript library called Kickbox.js, which allows us to easily replicate the custom features built into Reveal on applications that use Mapbox.js. Kinetica's geospatial capabilities also play really well with its native graph server. One of the unique capabilities of the platform is its ability to take tabular data and build graph networks from it. Graphs pair extremely well with geospatial analytics. For instance, a very common geospatial task involves finding the path between 2 points that would take the shortest amount of time to traverse. This type of problem can quickly get complicated when we factor in information like road closures, speed limits, and real-time data on traffic. Kinetica's graph capabilities make it really easy to model this into a graph representation of a road network. And once this network is created, we can issue built-in graph solvers against it to easily find answers without having to write complex queries. And once the results are available, we can easily combine this data with the road network graph and other geospatial data to visualize it using the WMS endpoint. And since the results of the graph solver are available as tabular data, these can also be easily plugged into other capabilities of the platform, such as, say for instance, a machine learning model. So far, we've only scratched the surface in terms of the types of geospatial use cases that are possible. One of the key strengths of Kinetica is its ability to bring a lot of different capabilities onto a single platform. This means that we can solve complex geospatial challenges that require blending of different types of approaches without having to move data between different platforms and vendors. This has enormous benefits in terms of scalability, ease of use, and performance. This brings us to the end of this video. Over the rest of this course, we will explore the different features in a lot more detail and learn how to use them in Kinetica.